Heiyeng dengai Bharat ki anauba Pradhan Mantri anauba Sarkar khamgadaba adugo lakchingai mamang sida Bharat pumbada hojik media kaya amada aranba exit poll hojik lairiba Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri sakhigadaba Pradhan Mantri outgoing Pradhan Mantri sigi exit oibe yaba adugo exit poll naktani masida अखोई इंडिया अलायंस की सरकार हयेंग सोइदना लागनी हयेंग नूंथिंदा हजिक लैरिबा प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाइबदो ओइरगनी इंडिया अलायंस ना यामद्रबदा 295 सीट फंगे हरगा अखोइना सुखसोइ सोइदना सरकार सेमगने हाबसे ngasi अखोई AICC की कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट नतना इंडिया अलायंस की लीडर्स लोइना बक तानर मतुंदा असेंग ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट भारत की ग्राउंड की लाकुम मदुगुंद रिपोर्ट मदुगुम मसिंगदो मयाम द भारत की प्रजा मयाम द थंबीरम एमबीओ हजिक मणिपुर की ओइना लोकसभा की इनर मसुंग आउटर अखोगी इंडिया अलायंस की कैंडिडेट अनिमक थंपिंग मेजॉरिटी के लोइना मणिपुर तकी हजिक अखोई अनोब सरकार सेमबसिदा एमपी अनि मणिपुर की प्रजा नुसिबिदना भोट थादोबखी दना वे थंपिंग मेजॉरिटी के लोइना अखोगी कैंडिडेट अनि सुसोय सोदना हयेंग कारगनी मयाम सिदा निपाई थिंगा ओबा नत्रगा एखोगी सिगुंबा नाहाकी मित्रंगी ओबा असिगुंबा एग्जिट पोल मयाम सि नमरम मोरे हरगा हयेंग नायरबा हजिक लैरिबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने लुसिंग सरकार से मसी मियाम ममांग लैगनी हाइबगी वाखलोंदा मदु प्रचार तो मदु एग्जिट पोल नि एग्जिट पोल खरददी स्टेट की नंबर ऑफ एमपी मसिंग की हेन यावंबा पिरंबा इवन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में थागतखिबा एमपी कैंडिडेट मसिंग दुगी हेन पिरंबगुंबा मसी मयाम अमा थेंगनजरे खोय अदुना भारत पुनबदा ngasi खोय खंगले मदुदी हयेंगी नुंथिंदा इंडिया अलायंस की सरकार के अनोब लागनी अनोब प्रधानमंत्री ममिंगसु लाउथोकलगनी अदुगा रूलिंग इंडिया अलायंस की लैब ख्वाइदगी चावबा सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी दुगी सुशोय सोइदना प्रधानमंत्री ओइरगनी लैरिबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर हयेंगी नुंथिंदगी फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हायरगनी मणिपुर की एमपी अनि लोकसभा इनर आउटर की अखोगी इंडिया अलायंस की कैंडिडेट अनिमक सुशोय सोइदना थंपिंग मेजॉरिटी के लोइना कारगनी मरमदुना हयेंगी काउंटिंग डे सि यामना मरु होय काउंटिंग डे दा अखोगी एजेंट खुदिमकना अनोब इंस्ट्रक्शन इसिया ने थोकिबा मयाम अमसु कोई पिजखरे अदुगा लोइना हयेंग सि भारत पुंबदा इंडिया अलायंस की काउंटिंग एजेंट लोइना 100% अलर्टनेस लैरे हरगा सुशोय सोइदना हयेंग सि इंडिया अलायंस की अनोब सरकार भारत की अनोब 2004 दा मतमदुगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ना कारगनी ने गिपोल में आमदा हायर भोगदा मधुगी होना तेनबदा यूपीए 1 लाए हरगा प्राइम मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह ममिंग निमित हुमनी मनुग लाखोखिबा मधुगुंबाइन तौदना हंदकसु 2024 से 2004 की सेम अदुमक ओइना रिपीट तौगनी हाइबसे मसि भारत की प्रजा पुनमक खंगलब वाफम अमनी अदुना कोइना संगठनिंग लिस्ट हाइजरबदा फ्रेंड्स there has been a lot of fake exit polls which has been run on different media houses today for the last 24 hours, including there is also a boom in the Sensex in the stock market. Why there is a sudden boom in the stock market? Tomorrow there could be a crash in the stock market. But the point remains is this government has been the government of crony capitalism. And today, perhaps to his friends of crony capitalism, they are trying to mean a huge profit through this boom today. By tomorrow, we will have a new national government in New Delhi, which we call as India Alliance government. The outgoing Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, by tomorrow evening will become former Prime Minister. We will announce the name of the Prime Minister as soon as possible tomorrow. And the new Prime Minister is going to be from the largest political party of our India alliance. These exit polls who have been giving so many numbers in such a way that in some TV channels they have given more number of candidates than the actual number of candidates who contested in the recently held Lok Sabha elections. In some other states, they also have been given the number of MPs that turns out to be even more than the actual number of MPs that come from that very state. So we can't trust these numbers which are running around in the last 24 hours. These exit polls ensure the exit of none other than the Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, who is the outgoing Prime Minister. Well, friends, from Manipur, India Alliance has fielded two candidates, renowned two candidates, both in Manipur Inner Parliamentary Constituency and Manipur Outer Parliamentary Constituency. In both the constituencies, India Alliance is going to win with thumping majority by tomorrow. So in the formation of the new government in New Delhi, by tomorrow evening, with the blessings of the people of Manipur, we will be sending two MPs in Lok Sabha by tomorrow evening. By tomorrow evening, Narendra Modi ji will become former Prime Minister. By tomorrow evening, we will have a new India Alliance government with a minimum of 295 MPs. A minimum of 295 MPs. And therefore, it is a high time for the people of India across the country that there has been 100% alertness. Because tomorrow is a counting day and it's a very crucial day. There's a recent instruction which is already come from the Election Commission of India, and our counting agents across the country for our India Alliance have been put on high alert, so that tomorrow there is a complete fairness in counting. We expect and there will be complete fairness in counting, and it is already known from the ground realities that these continual fake numbers which are running on TVs deliberately in the last 24 hours or the last few days since the ending of the last 7th phase of the recently conducted Lok Sabha election. We know that this is deliberately done by the outgoing regime, precisely because they fear that they are going. We know yesterday and even today, Prime Minister is holding a lot of meetings. Why it is so? Why is that the union ministers are visiting the Election Commission of India? And these, despite such so many spike in the numbers on media. Therefore, friends, we are fully confident that by tomorrow evening, we will have a new Prime Minister, we will have a new national government called India Alliance government. Our two India Alliance candidates, precisely the Congress candidates from Manipur, both inner and outer, will win with thumping majority, and we seek the blessing of the people of India, the people of Manipur, that in this journey of a better India, in this journey of better Manipur, we will work together.